Availability Seller FBA. With the Fulfillment by Amazon program, Amazon has a powerful merchant shipping solution. The complexity of managing Amazon as an additional warehouse increases, especially with many SKUs. AMALYTIX supports you there by providing various key figures, so you can see at a glance for each SKU how long the stock will hold, and the SKUs that incur the highest storage costs, thus running the risk of long-term storage fees. With the help of minimum time of coverage and minimum stock levels, you can be informed in good time if the stock of a product is running low. AMALYTIX displays the following values for each product. You can hide columns that are not relevant to you at any time. At the outset, you will see the typical identifiers like SKU, ASIN, and also the FNSKU. This is followed by the dimensions, the volume of a single product, and the amount of all units of this SKU. Next to it, you see the product weight and one more parameter, the estimated storage costs which this product has incurred in the last month. In this way, the culprits of high storage costs can be quickly identified. In the current supplier order column, you can enter a value for yourself as a mental note the number of items you have already reordered from your supplier. You maintain this value either here or by uploading a flat file. The following value is also updated manually and, if filled in, displays the current stock of your own warehouse. In the next three columns, you can see the number of units currently on their way to Amazon, the number reserved by a stock transfer, and the number of groups that are available in the FBA warehouse. The sum of these values can be found in the column Total FBA. To better estimate when you need to replenish a product, you can define a minimum stock level or a minimum range of coverage. If the value falls below this value, AMALYTIX gives you an alarm on request. You maintain the values either individually by clicking on the Edit button on the right, or alternatively, you can upload the data in the menu item Settings, Seller Products. There, you will also find a corresponding file template. The columns Range Min and Range Max show the period of time that the stock of a SKU will last. These columns contain an optimistic or pessimistic forecast that results from the sales figures for each period: 7, 30, 60, 90 days. AMALYTIX breaks these values down to the number of sales per day. The highest value determines the minimum range, and the lowest value determines the maximum range. In the LTSF column, you can see the theoretical long-term storage fee, or LTSF. Amazon currently calculates this once a year, and as the time approaches, this estimate gives you a sense of whether or not you should receive the goods. Use the FBA Dashboard to make optimal use of the available capacity and keep the in-stock status for all your products at all times.